Listen up, are you tired of chucking perfectly good food in the bin? Want to turn your kitchen scraps into a Garden of Eden? Today, we're diving into regrowing veggies. No more wasting money on overpriced supermarket produce. We're going full throttle into sustainable living, and trust me, it's going to be delicious. By the end of this video, you'll be a regrowing rock star. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get this show on the road. First up, celery. Most people think the fun stops with the stalks, but that's where they're wrong. Don't throw away that base. Take that base and plunk it in a shallow dish filled with water. Make sure the cut end is submerged. Find a sunny spot on your windowsill and let it soak up those rays. In a few days, you'll see tiny leaves pop up, followed by fresh, crisp stalks. Once the roots are strong, transfer it to a pot with good soil. Water it regularly, and soon you'll have homegrown celery. Next up, green onions. These little beauties are practically begging to be brought back to life. Chop your green onions, leaving about 2 inches of the white ends intact. Find a glass or jar and fill it with water, just enough to cover those white ends. Pop your onion ends in the water, cut sides down, find a sunny spot, and within days, you'll see new green shoots. You can repeat this process multiple times. Just keep snipping off what you need, and they'll keep on growing. Think your romaine lettuce is past its prime? Think again. We're about to give this leafy friend a new lease on life. Don't chuck that core. It's about to become the heart of a whole new salad. Take the base of your romaine lettuce and place it in a shallow dish filled with water. Make sure the cut end is submerged and find a bright spot for it. Rotate the lettuce base daily for even growth. Soon you'll see new leaves sprouting from the center. While you won't get a whole new head, you'll have plenty of fresh leaves perfect for sandwiches, wraps, or snacking. Time for a challenge. I've got a mystery veggie that's dying to be regrown. This veggie is a master of disguise. It's got layers, can make you cry, and has a secret talent for regrowth. Any guesses? It's a staple in kitchens worldwide, adds a pungent kick to dishes, and is probably in your pantry right now. Think you've got it? Drop your guesses in the comments below. I'll reveal the answer in just a bit, but don't wander off, because we've got plenty more regrowing magic to uncover. Carrot tops! Yes, those leafy green bits you usually toss are about to become your new favorite kitchen staple. Simply take the tops of your carrots, leaving about 1 inch of the orange root attached. Find a shallow dish or jar, and fill it with water. Just enough to cover the base of the carrot tops. Place your carrot tops in their watery bath, making sure the cut ends are submerged. Find a sunny spot, and in a matter of days, you'll see new green growth sprouting. These delicate greens have a slightly peppery, parsley-like flavor that adds a burst of freshness to any dish. Next up, garlic. Not only does it add a punch of flavor to countless dishes, but it's also incredibly easy to regrow. Instead of tossing sprouting cloves, plant them in soil. Each clove can turn into a whole new bulb of garlic. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or a pot with well-draining soil. Plant each clove pointy end up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Water them well, and watch as green shoots emerge. Garlic takes a bit longer to mature, but it's well worth the wait. Alright, time to unveil the mystery veggie. Did you guess it? Drumroll, please. It's the humble onion. The very same onion that brings tears to your eyes is a regrowing superstar. Save the root end when slicing an onion. Find a sunny spot in your garden or a pot with well-draining soil. Plant the onion root end about 1 inch deep, cut side down, water it well, and within days you'll see green shoots emerging. These are your green onions, ready to be snipped and added to all your favorite dishes. Ever had a potato sprout eyes in the back of your pantry? Don't throw it away! That's a free potato plant begging to be born. Cut the sprouted potato into chunks, making sure each chunk has at least 1 eye or sprout. Let these chunks air dry for a day or two to prevent rotting. Find a sunny spot in your garden or a large pot with good drainage. Plant each chunk about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart, sprout facing up. As the plants grow, mound soil around the base to encourage more potatoes. After about 10 weeks, start harvesting your bounty. Rinse them off and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Get ready to be amazed. We're about to regrow a pineapple from its crown. Twist off the crown, strip away the bottom few layers of leaves, and let it air dry for a few days. Fill a glass or jar with water, just enough to cover the base of the crown. Place the crown in the water, and find a warm, sunny spot. Change the water every few days. After a few weeks, you'll see roots emerging. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, plant the crown in soil. Choose a large pot with good drainage. Water it well, and find a sunny spot. It can take a year or two to produce fruit, but it's worth the wait. Last but not least, ginger. This spicy root is a staple in my kitchen. The next time you're using fresh ginger, look for the little nubs or eyes. Break off a piece of ginger root, making sure each piece has at least one eye. Soak the pieces in water overnight. Find a wide, shallow pot with good drainage and fill it with potting soil. Plant the ginger pieces about an inch deep, eyes facing up. Water them well and place the pot in a warm, shady spot. Ginger prefers indirect sunlight. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and in a few weeks you'll see new shoots emerge. There's no going back. Now get out there and make me proud.